Okay, for this project you will need this type of servo motor, SG Knight. Mine I got from eBay for under $2. I will put link below. Now let's open this servo by unscrew these 4 micro screws and removing the bottom lid. This tiny circuit board we don't need, so cut it off. Opening the other side carefully and pull out this small gear on which we're gonna cut off this plastic brake, because the servo can't rotate 360 degrees with that small part. Also removing these metal parts on potentiometer. Now put back all gears in place, and because the wires are too short, I solder new longer wires. Before closing, check once again is there all parts in their places. So far so good. I know that you like this video already. Don't forget to like it at end. All servos have gear reduction, so there is enough power for doing the job. You will need screwdriver extension like this, but because it's too long, we're gonna cut at half. Mixing 2 component glue for metal and applying on extension and join with modified servo motor. This is 2-way 3-pole toggle switch and cost $1.60 from eBay. Battery holder for 2 AA batteries cost 70 cents. Circuit diagram is simple. Electricity from battery goes to toggle switch and from here goes to servo motor. Soldering everything like on schematic, and with glue gun join the battery with servo motor. If you have the parts laying around your workshop, you can build this mini electric screwdriver in less than 1 hour. And believe me, you should try make one for yourself. It's simple. Battery you can find easy. Battery holder you can pull out from old toy, and servo motor you can find at RC cars and airplanes. This video project was so good, so it deserves a big thumb up. Click that like button below the video and please share this project with your friends on Facebook and Twitter. Thanks for watching, subscribe and visit my channel page.